Hutchinson trying to save us some money any way it takes, right?
I know. There are
Indeed.
places, though, that only take credit cards, so that makes me nervous.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, Chief Meteorologist Jackie Layer back, and we're going to have some warmer temps and maybe keep our umbrella around for later in the week as well.
Yeah, especially Friday. That looks to be our next best chance for some rainfall, especially later on Friday afternoon and evening. They'll likely linger into the first half of the weekend, too. So if you have Saturday outdoor plans, also make sure to have that rain gear on hand, too. But satellite and radar, though, out there right now, we're still looking at those dry conditions. We had some cloud cover out there for much of the area earlier today. Still likely going to be tracking the cloud cover overnight tonight, keeping temperatures a bit more on the milder side overnight. But we do have that cold front approaching the area. That will clear the region into early tomorrow morning. That will actually clear more so the skies, but also shift our wind direction to mainly out of the west as we look ahead towards tomorrow afternoon compared to that light southerly wind that we're seeing out there right now. Current temperatures are into the upper 30s to low to mid 40s at this point. Currently 44 in D.C. Right around 40 in Hagerstown. We're seeing some of those upper 30s though back out towards Manassas and Frederick right now. High temperatures earlier today. We did reach right around 50 in D.C. Lower 50s farther south. Back out towards Woodstock and Luray. Looks like they were the winners. Upper 50s for those high temperatures earlier this afternoon. Now highs tomorrow a little bit warmer than the day today. We do see a lot more 50s on this map. Talking mid-upper 50s for much of the area. A few 60s sprinkled on the map, mainly down towards Culpeper, Fredericksburg, as well as Orange. So heads up, we continue this warming trend over the next several days. And it looks like Friday will be the warmest day, although we're tracking that wet weather. And I'll go over the details of that too. But as we look towards the overnight tonight, still see more of that southerly wind before that cold front clears the area and the winds will shift to mainly out of the west. You'll notice a bit more of that sunshine breaking out later in the day tomorrow afternoon compared to some of the cloud cover that we'll see out there tomorrow morning. And then eventually later on tomorrow evening, falling back down into those 30s for those overnight lows. So we'll be a little bit colder Wednesday night into early Thursday morning because we have those mainly clear skies. Then for Thursday, highs will be back in those middle 50s yet again. And then as we look ahead towards Friday, right into those lower 60s because that that warm front will continue to lift its way northward. We'll have more of a southerly wind and that will pump in those warmer temperatures that we'll see to round out the work week. We'll also see at least more of the cloud cover too. So scattered rain showers expected Friday and even into Saturday. So Saturday morning at 6 a.m. Still more of that green across the map. And that will continue through your Saturday afternoon into the early evening for eventually that front does slide its way off the coast. Behind that cold front though, especially into Sunday, temperatures will take a tumble. We'll go from highs right around 60 on Saturday back into those middle 40s for much of your Sunday afternoon. But we're also going to be talking about how much rainfall we could see. At least 3/4 of an inch to about an inch of rainfall is expected. We do need that wet weather just because of drought monitor, severe drought from D.C. areas westward and much of the area including that severe drought or moderate drought. So we'll take the rainfall. But again, that's really only Friday into Saturday. Now the forecast versus the average. Yeah, we're well above normal as we look towards the rest of this week and into the first half of the weekend for those temperatures tumble much closer to average as we look towards Sunday and into the start of that next work week. Here's a view of the rest of that 7-day outlook. So after Saturday, we're looking dry out there Sunday and colder and breezy, and so remaining on the colder side with drier conditions Monday and Tuesday.